Oh. Oh, wow. That was kind of quick. Nice. Oh, wow. That was quick. Holy. Yeah, that was kind of quick, though. No way. No damn way, guys. Whew. That was kind of quick. Oh, my. What the fuck? Oh, my. Wow. Holy. Holy moly. We got the thing, bro. No damn way, guys. What the fuck? I'm like, am I crazy right now? No shit, bro. We got the thing. Wait, what do I? What the fuck? That was so quick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, what the fuck? We got the thing, guys. We got the baby thing. Oh my. Bro, this shit is wild, yo. I want to get the holiday thing though, cause bro, since when was the baby penguin so popular? Mm. Alright, I'm gonna spam a little. Damn! I got the cozy baby penguin. Yeah, that way I only spent like 2 freaking K tokens. That was wild, bro. That's what I call wild. Wild. And yeah, our look is horrible. I mean, say what you want, but we got the cozy baby penguin though. We got the freaking chroma, but I mean, I still like the holiday elf. Mm. Oh, we got the snowman. Bro, what the sigma? My bad, sorry guys. Oh, we got the snowman. Holy, we actually got the baby thing, bro. No goddamn way. Oh, I want to pull it again so fucking bad, bro. How many tokens we at? Oh, another epic. Damn, not even a Santa Claus. Oh, well that's it guys. There we go. There's go. Hour 10, we got the cozy baby penguin. And we're just gonna sell some of these guys right now. Alright, we got the cozy baby penguin. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.